You can see all these teams are generated and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all are very accurate. Hi guys, in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between ISL versus QEE. So first of all we are going to analyze the data, and based on the data we will use our team generator software in order to generate the Grand League winning teams. So those who have already taken the software, please kindly follow the instructions and the tips that I am sharing, and those who don't know about this software, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. So first of all, let's analyze the data. So the probable playing 11 for the today's match between ISL versus QEE will be, from the ISL side, Usman Khawaja, Colin Munro, R Nazir, Shadab Khan, H Talat, I Ahmad, A Ali, Fahim Ashraf, Hassan Ali, F Ahmad and Muhammad Wasim Jr. And from the QEE side, Usman Khan, Faf du Plessis, Cameron Delport, Sarfraz Ahmad, Ye Khan, Andrew Russell, Muhammad Nawaz, Jahid Muhammad, Muhammad Hussain, Nasim Shah and Jack Weldermuth will be the probable playing 11. These may change. If any player have changed, you can change accordingly. And this will be the probable playing 11. And let's analyze the top players from both the sides as well. So the top players from ISL side will be Usman Khawaja, Colin Munro, Shadab Khan, Fahim Ashraf and Rohel Nazir. And from the QEE side, Usman Khan, Faf du Plessis, Cameron Delport, Sarfraz Ahmad and Andrew Russell can be the probably the top players. I mean the top players from both the sides. So by using this, it's all the data. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch. That means it is gonna support both batsmen and as well as bowlers as well, and the average score will be 152. One thing you should remember here is that the team which is going to bowl first, we have 80% of the winning rate. That means if any team won the toss and elected to bowl first, that means that the team is going to win the match. That 80% which is the percentage that we have. So let's analyze the data. So by using this data, let's use some specific points in our software in order to crack the Grand Leagues. So the specific points will be, so the credit range will be, if you want risky teams, you can go for 95 to 100 as well, or 97 to 100 as the total team credits. Or if you want normal and standard GL teams, you can go for 98 to 100. If you want head-to-head teams or small league teams, you can go with 99 to 100 as well. And since ISL is almost equal to QEE, both the teams are balanced teams, so you can go with 5 teams from one side and 6 teams from other side, as well as 6 teams from one side and 5 teams from other side. And let's analyze some of the strategies here. So 1 wicket keeper, 3 batsmen, 3 all-rounder and 4 batsmen, and 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 3 all-rounder, 3 bowlers, and 2 wicket keeper, 3 batsmen, 3 all-rounder and 3 bowlers. These will be the probably playing. These will be the strategies that I feel will be the Grand League winning strategies. So by using all this data, let's use our team generator software. So in order to generate the Grand League winning teams. So let's jump into our software quickly. So this is how our software look like. Those who don't know about this software is advanced team generator software, and this software uses multiple algorithms in order to generate the Grand League winning teams, and as well as small league teams, as well as head-to-head teams as well. And this software supports wide variety of fantasy applications that include Dream11, My Team 11 and other applications. So first of all, click on cricket here, and after that we need to click on generate teams. Those who want the software, those who have interest on this software, I have provided you the Telegram channel in the description box below. There you can join the Telegram channel. I will give you some of the updates, and as well as I will have provided my contact details, my WhatsApp number in the description box below. You can contact me if you have any interest upon this software. So first of all, you need to click on any fantasy application. Here I am going to click on Dream11, and after that continue. And we need to choose the series here, it is PSL, and after that continue again. And there are 3 sections here. The first 2 sections are for those who don't have much knowledge on cricket, I mean beginner to the fantasy. Those can use these 2 sections. And the third section is what we are going to use, advanced generation section. Here we need to select the teams in which the match is in between. Here the match is in between ISL versus QUA. So let me quickly select these two and continue here. And we need to give the match number. You can give any match number because whatever the teams you generate in this software, those teams are stored within your device. So by the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as on your laptop. So you can give any match number. Let me give 20 as the match number and continue here. And we need to select at least 6 players from each side. That means you can select all the 11 players from both the sides. So let me quickly select all the 11 players from both the sides. I'm going to select by watching the list because these players are new to me. So let me quickly select all these 11 players. So you can see I have selected all the 11 players from both the sides, and after that we need to click on continue here, and we need to select the fixed players. Here fixed players means, for example, if someone is, for example, here Sarfraz Ahmad is there. If you think he will definitely play some good runs today, then you can fix him. That means whatever the players you select in this section, that player will be there in every team. That's why you need to be little careful here. If you don't want to take any risk, plus I suggest you to just leave this section as it is. If you believe any person that play definitely today, then you can select him. So let me leave this section as it is, and after that we need to select the players you want to consider for captain selection. So let me quickly select the players I want to select for captain. So these are the players I feel they have the potential to become the captain, and let me quickly select from QE side as well. So these are the players I think they have the potential to become the captain, and after that continue here. And as well as the captain, let's select the vice captain players as well. Let me quickly select all the players that they have the potential to become the vice captain. So you can give any players, so that is your wish. These are the players I feel they have the potential to become the vice captain. That's why I'm selecting these players here. And after that so you can select any number of players here, and after that continue. And we need to select the team partition strategy. I have already given you the team partition strategy, which is 5-6 and 6-5. I mean, we are going to go for 5 players from one side and 6 players from other side, as well as 6 players from one side and 5 players from other side as well. And after that continue here, and we need to give the credit range. You can give any credit range. I want to give 98.5 to 100 as the credit range. So and after that continue. And we need to select the at least one strategy. You can select any number of strategies here, but I have given some of the strategies in the video, so please go through that video. Please go through those strategies here. These are the strategies. These are the 3 strategies, and after that continue. And we need to give the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate any number of teams between 1 to 3333. But 11 teams are completely fine in order to crack the Grand League. So just give 11 teams here, and after that generate teams. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all are very accurate teams. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. And I have provided you the contact details. Those who have the interest, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below, as well as in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow on Telegram. I have provided you the Telegram link in the comment section as well. So thanks for watching, and stay hard.